In this lecture, we will talk about how you can utilize your mouse with Solidworks. When using Solidworks, we recommend using at least a mouse with a scroll. This will make using the software much easier. Right-clicking on the canvas, on a surface, or on a feature on the design tree will always give you more helpful options. Now let's talk about the scroll in the mouse. If we point the cursor on the canvas and start moving the scroll, we will be zooming in or zooming out using the cursor as the center of movement. And so if I point the cursor on this corner and start scrolling, I will be zooming toward this corner. If I point the cursor on this other corner and start scrolling, we will be zooming toward that corner. The scroll itself has a useful button. If we leave the cursor on the canvas, then click and hold the scroll button and start moving the mouse, the model will rotate according to the mouse movement. This will make it much easier for you to create the model. You can get the model we showed here in the download section. Download it and try out what we covered in this lecture.